Pop-up. How to play. This is a 2 to 4 player game. The objective of the game is to be the first player to move all your pawns around the board and to the finish line. Everyone places their pawns in front of them and chooses a color. The youngest player goes first. Pop the dice. If it is a 6, place one of your pawns on the start space and roll again. If the player fails to roll a 6, the player on the left goes next. You move your pawns clockwise around the board. If you land on your opponent, put his pawn in the home space. Take note that you are not allowed to land on your own pawn. If you don't have any moves, your turn ends. If you've circled the board, you must go to the finish line. You must roll the exact amount to get in. Once you're at the finish line, you can't get sent home by your opponents. The first player to have all 4 pawns at the finish line wins.